This is the Apple HomePod, or the box that it ships with. The first thing you notice is how heavy it is, and because of its weight, Apple custom designed a shipping box for it. That's sort of a box-in-a-box design with a shock absorber type mechanism, which is very clever. The rest of the packaging is fairly typical for Apple. High quality materials, clean lines, minimalistic. The clear plastic packaging comes off easily. The box feels pretty solid and well made. And here it is, the Apple HomePod. The curved cylindrical shape reminds me of the Mac Pro. It's a sleek design that should fit well in any living room, kitchen, or bedroom. The quick start guide and warranty information are printed on these circular pieces of paper that fit at the bottom of the packaging. The outside is covered with a cloth mesh all the way around, except for a small opening for the power cord and the touch display on top. The mesh is soft, but has a firmness as you push harder into it, sort of like a dense foam. The whole thing seems well put together and solid. In the next video, we'll look at how smart it is and how it sounds.